Welcome to a PC Pro Schools instructional presentation. My name is Ryan Vandermolen and I'm an instructor at PC Pro Schools. Today I'm going to show you how to use a USB key and some good practices when naming them. First things first, let's plug in that USB key. Upon plugging it in, the system should take some time to install a driver if the machine has never seen this device before. Now, because I've plugged this one into this machine before, it popped up right away. Now, if I had multiple USB keys, naming them well is a way to easily identify what is on them. Now this one's labeled study guide, so I'm going to assume that there are study guides on this USB key. Lo and behold, school study guides. It also has a folder named computer fixes, and has a folder within it Malwarebytes, and then inside that is a Malwarebytes executable. That is a good thing to do. Whether you have executables or files, put them inside of their own folder in case you have to tell someone to find it or you have a hard time locating stuff on your own USB keys. Fortunately, this one isn't too busy, but it's a good practice even when you have a few files. Like in here, I have all my study guides for the 640, the 642. These are all different Microsoft certification exams. And within each, I have a study guide under each of those. Now, if you had plugged this in and it was labeled something generic, the easy way to rename it, right-click on it, rename. Computer fixes. If this was just a USB key that had computer fixes, this would be a better name for it. Now, I didn't name it computer fixes because it is limited in length of name, so comp fixes is good. But let's go ahead and change that back to study guides, because that's what it is. Study guides. Now, I went to hit S for guides, and it won't let me. Hit enter, and it changes it back. I'm going to go ahead and plug in another drive. We'll give it a minute. And it should pop up in here sometime shortly. There we go. This one, go ahead and close that. Notice that it is under hard disk drive. Removable hard disks show up under hard disk drives. And here they can be renamed just like my USB key. And within it I have backups. Here's someone I backed up a computer for. This is mine. I have testing stuff. I have images and office ISOs. Be that as it may, label it what you want it to be used most for. For me, this is going to be for backups when I'm working on someone's machine or my own, so I named it backup hard disk drive. Good practice, name it what it's going to be, and within that, have each folder. So like this is a backup of someone's computer, their name, last name, and within it is all of their backup stuff. And that's that. If you ever have any more things you need to do with it, a good practice, just kind of look around. Again, my name is Ryan Vandermolen, and thank you for watching this PC Pro Schools instructional presentation.